subject Math Plus, and the topic is basic mathematical operation. Okay, we already know that our basic mathematical operations are MDAS, or multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, multiplication, it is expressed in these symbols. Sometimes X, or pag we see 1 times 1 times 1. So the X symbol there is signifying multiplication. Okay? And in algebra, especially open and close parenthesis also signifies multiplication. For example, X plus B times C plus D. So that would look like this. X plus B, see, open and close parenthesis, times C plus D. This simply means that this term is multiplied by this term. Okay, meaning kining buo diri ang term after performing addition inside the parenthesis, pag human og perform aning mga whatever inside the parenthesis, ay ha nimo siya i-multiply. Okay? So kining one term here is multiplied by this term. Okay? Also, sometimes multiplication is expressed like this. Kani, dot lang. So, inani pagkasulat. X times Y. So, pag ingon ani, multiplication po na siya. Ang teacher, dili na sila moingon og kanang X times Y. Isulat na lang sa blackboard, inana lang. So, pag makita ka gingon ani, pasabot ana multiplication na. Okay? And sometimes also it is expressed this way. Itapad lang nila ang duha ka number or expression. Example, 2b. Ang pasabot ana is 2 multiply by b. Nganong inaniman? Kay b, pasabot aning b, variable ni siya. Pwede nimo na siya ilis-ilisdan ang value. Inana ang mahita. Inani ang pagkasulat kung itapad y. Normally, magbutang na sila og where b equals 2 plus minus 3. For example, meaning, duha ka value sa b. 1 positive 3 and 1 negative 3. So, if b is positive 3 ang gamiton nimo pag-solve, may ana na siya. Pwede ka mo gamit og open close parenthesis, pwede pod og katong dot, pwede pod og kanang commonly used kanang x. Okay, pwede nimo anaon 2 times 3 or 2 times 3 or 2 times 3 ana ang pagka-express. Okay, pero normally in algebra inani na ang forma. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now, if your b is imong gamiton kining negative 3, so mayngon ani ang forma 2 times negative 3. Okay? Or 2 times negative 3. Pag ingon ani pagkasulat si, murag dili kaayo siya nice tan-awon. So, This one looks better. Kung imo po on 2 times negative 3, pangit gyapon, di ba? Di masabtan. Kailangan pa nimo magbutang og open, close parenthesis para masabtan nga kaning 2 is multiplied with negative 3. So, kini ang best talaga na porma. Kung ingon ani. Okay? So, that is for the multiplication. Imo na siyang timan-an. Why? Because that is the only way nga para makabasa ka og mathematical sentences or mathematical equations. Masabtan nimo unsay pasabot ug unsay imong buhaton. Okay? Timan-ani mo na. Also, by the way, in multiplication, timan-an nimo ang mga terminologies na ginagamit. Una, kani ang mga very important nga term nga imong madunggan. Product. Kanang product, for example, mo na ang problem. Find the product. O, pag makadungog na ka aning product, pasabot ana multiplication na ni. Kay kanang product, mao na siya ang tawag sa answer sa multiplication. For example, the product of 2 and 3, meaning, mingon siya 2 and the product of 2 and 3, pasabot ana i-multiply nimo ang 2 ug ang 3.